The second-generation LabConco Protector XStream hood is the culmination of LabConco's 75 years of research and development in fume hood technology. The Protector XStream offers unsurpassed containment of chemical fumes and vapors with the lowest possible energy consumption. Smoke tests in traditional hoods show the tendency for contaminants generated in the interior to roll forward, producing high concentrations of fumes behind the sash in close proximity to the user's breathing area. In contrast, smoke tests on Protector XStream hoods show contaminants are removed in a single pass with a remarkable lack of turbulence. The result is a dramatic reduction in the concentration of hazards within the fume hood. This efficient airflow is created by several unique features of the Protector XStream. The aerodynamic curve of the airfoil, along with the large radial edge of the work surface, function together to correct airflow prone to reversal in traditional fume hoods. This directs air to sweep the dished work surface for maximum containment. Designed specifically for robust containment during use, clean sweep openings pull naturally accelerated inflow air from under the airfoil so that clean air continually flows in front of the fume hood user, creating a constant protective barrier from contaminants. The low-profile aerodynamic sash handle directs airflow above and below, reducing the probability of contaminated air escaping into the user's breathing space. A continuous slot runs the entire height of the sash opening within the sash tracks. This passive opening allows small volumes of clean air to enter the hood at the plane of the sash for an added barrier of protection. The upper dilution air supply constantly bathes the fume hood interior above the work area with clean air to eliminate chemical fumes along the sash plane near the user's breathing area. This air is directed down the back side of the sash, and the remainder is drawn through perforations into the upper fume hood chamber. This method of bypass inflow manipulation yields zero static pressure change in any sash position, resulting in a constant volumetric rate of air into the hood for constant air volume applications, and sufficiently restricting the bypass when used with a variable air volume mechanical system. The most significant and innovative feature of the Protector XStream fume hood is the rear baffle system. When the sash is open to its energy-conserving 18-inch height or optional 28-inch full open height, the slots in the primary baffle direct air in non-turbulent streams from the hood face into the baffle in a single pass. The secondary baffle, located between the primary baffle and the back wall, counteracts the upward air streams that create roll or vortex in traditional hoods. In addition to mitigating vortex-dependent containment, the primary baffle slots are arranged by ingenious design. This specific baffle slot pattern is designed to manipulate and optimize the face velocity profile. The result is a reduction in the deviation from the profile average and reduction of turbulence. The industry standard for fume hood containment is defined as a hood that meets the CIFA requirements for high performance. CIFA defines this as a hood with the sash fully open, face velocity of 60 feet per minute, and when subjected to an ASHRAE 110 test, has levels of tracer gas at or below 0.05 parts per million in the manufacturer's test facility. Amazingly, when the Protector XStream is subjected to the ASHRAE 110 test method, there is no detectable level of tracer gas outside the fume hood, even at face velocities as low as 40 feet per minute. During independent testing, the Protector XStream performed well beyond CIFA 1 standards. With a face velocity of 40 feet per minute and its sash fully open, the Protector XStream was subjected to 50 feet per minute cross drafts, NIH protocol, and tracer gas measurements in the chest of the mannequin. In each scenario, the Protector XStream allowed 0.00 parts per million average level of tracer gas outside the hood. Although your safety officer or industrial hygienist will determine the actual face velocity setting for your fume hood, this standard of performance demonstrates the factor of safety built into extreme containment. Safety is foremost, but the Protector XStream's energy efficiency is equally impressive. Energy consumption is directly related to the volumetric rate, measured in cubic feet per minute. Achieving 60 feet per minute face velocity on a 6-foot Xtreme with the sash in its full open position requires only 690 cubic feet per minute. Regardless of your desired operating face velocity, the Protector Xtreme requires the lowest cubic feet per minute and lowest operating cost. Offering unrivaled containment and lowest possible energy consumption, the Protector Xtreme is the pinnacle of modern fume hood design.